Why would this architecture draw it? What was the purpose? Then he will put the surround house there and the surround house there to do it, the whole thing. This is a very serious matter. And it is there. But the worst thing, they can do it. They can build. The worst thing of that thing, the KICC, my mother contributed 5 shillings. My father contributed 5 shillings. Every Kenya contributed 5 shillings towards the building. That was a sacrifice that we did. A sacrifice of immorality. That is why Kenya will never come out of immorality. And it's planted in the middle of the power of Kenya.